Welcome, Wild Tribe Nature Explorers. I'm Kaylee from Arena Wild Tribe, here with an activity to get outdoors and feeling good about ourselves. Actually today I'm indoors, woo-hoo-hoo-boo-hoo, but the weather outside is atrocious. Never mind. Today I challenge you. Can you construct a shelter? Let's do this thing. Shelter building. Here's one I made earlier. Shelter type. An A-frame shelter. An A-frame shelter. Resources. 1. Tarpaulin. A blanket or bedsheet will also do just fine. Paracord. Rope or string will also do just fine. That's it. A shelter constructed from just 1 tarpaulin. How many 1 tarp shelters can you construct? This poster worksheet will be attached with the video for you to download. It couldn't be simpler. Hang out, have adventures in your constructed shelters. Give today's challenge a go and I'll see you again soon. Remember, look after yourself, look after each other and look after the environment. Farewell, nature explorers.